Well, hello. I know that you've been really excited to see this. This is our beautiful Nutella soap. Doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? So today we're going to cut it, and I've got my trusty cutter here. Now, because I've got all of these sprinkles and things on the top, I'm going to turn it away from the blades or the wires and just pop it in that way. And then I can cut, oops, just a little bit further, I think. There we go. And then I can just cut nice and cleanly. I'm going to lose a few of these sprinkles, but you know, that's fine. The soap is also soft enough that when you first do it, you can actually still put some of the sprinkles onto the top. Now, can you see this amazing effect? Can you see that the soap itself looks like there's a dark ring around the outside? That's not going to stay there. Sadly, I wish it did, but that isn't going to stay. That's because it's been a week since I actually made the soap, and I normally cut them straight away, but I've been a little bit poorly, so I haven't. The outside of the soap has started to dry. The inside is still wet. So all of this centre is still undried soap. The outside is dry. So eventually all of the soap will be that darker brown colour. But don't these look just stunning? Look at these beautiful, beautiful little sugar stars. This is definitely one that I recommend you having a go with just for a bit of fun in your kitchen. These are absolutely beautiful. They are super pretty. I can't imagine someone not enjoying these. They really are lovely. So this was my Nutella soap from the Pantry Soap Making session at Soap School. And my name is Sarah Janes. It's been lovely being with you. I would love to hear what you think of this soap. So do come and comment and let me know what you think. And if this is a soap that you've had a chance to make, let me know how yours turned out soon. And I will see you in the next session of Pantry Soap Making with Soap School. Bye bye for now.